Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, we're going to be doing a song by Naked Eyes, Promises, Promises. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is A minor. We'll be playing some chords that will sound like this. Let's take a close-up look at those chords. Our first chord is an A minor 7. It's up at the 12th fret. We're barring that fret from the A string down. Going to bring in a finger to fret 13 on the B string and fret 14 on the D string, strumming that from the A string. Now we'll go down the neck and use that same chord form, and we'll play a D minor 7. We'll raise that to the 7th fret for an E minor 7. We'll need one more chord, and that chord is going to be F sharp minor 7 flat 5. We're playing that by holding down the A string at fret 9, the D string at fret 10, the G string at fret 9, and the B string at fret 10. And we're aiming for just those 4 strings, starting with the A string down to the B string, like that. Here's how we'll strum those chords. We'll start our chords with a brush like this, with the pick. Gently brush the strings, and then we'll play like that. So it's. We've also got some muted strums that are down up like this. So we'll play just like that. Then we'll go down to our F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Play this. Up, up, down, 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 like that. Then we'll go to our D minor 7 and brush it. So that was brushing down, 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 up. And when we got to our E minor 7, we just went. And that was 4 down strums. Here it is. Next, we're going to go to the verses. And for the verses, we're going to play 3 chords: C, G, and D. Now there was no guitar in the original recording, so I had to add some. So we're going to play a C like this. I'm barring fret 12, holding down the D, G, and B string. I'm bringing in a finger to the B string at fret 13 and the D string at fret 14, and that's my C. I'm going to make a G by just barring fret 12, like that. And then I'll make a D by playing an F shape here at fret 10, and I'm holding down the B and high E string at fret 10, the G string at fret 11, and the D string at fret 12, like that. So that's our third chord, which is a D. So we'll play this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4, and that'll cover our verses. Now for the next part, we'll do the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we're going to play an F major 9 like this. In order to make that F major 9, we're going to hold down the A string at fret 8, the D string at fret 7, the G string at fret 9, and the B string at fret 8, and strum from the A string down to the B string, like that. We'll follow that with an F major 7, played this way. For that chord, we're going to bar fret 8 from the A string down, bringing a finger to the D string at fret 10, the G string at fret 9, and the B string at fret 10. And that's our F major 7. We're going to play an F sharp minor 7 flat 5 by raising this finger to fret 9 on the A string. We started with our major 7. We're going to raise that finger, and that's our minor 7 flat 5. We'll need an E minor 7 flat 13 by playing this. Okay, so what we're doing there is we're grabbing the 12th fret and leaving the A string muted, which sandwiched between those two fingers like that. And then we're going to bring a finger to the B string at fret 13 and play down to it, like that. So that's going to be played this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our pre-chorus. Now for our chorus, we're going to go to that C again, G, and then an F by holding down fret 10 from the D string down to the B string. So it's and then we'll play this. For that, we played the F. That's at fret 10. We're going to play a G with the same shape as we used for the C. That's at fret 7, 8, and 9. And then move that down 2 frets to an F. So that's. So we'll play it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll go back into our main strumming, which is. Now the only thing left is some double stops that we'll need between strums, like this. For that, we're going here to fret 8, holding down the B string and the high E string. And we're going to slide up 2 frets. We're playing just those 2 strings. And we'll go back like that, back and forth. And that'll sound something like this. We'll play those double stops again, but this is what we'll play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for that, we started here at fret 15, and that was up, down, up, and we went to 12. Same thing, up, down, up, and then to 10. And that was up, down, up, down. So then we'll go to 10, up, down, up, down, up, 8, up, down, up, down. So here's the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to sound like this in the recording. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play the chords to Promises, Promises by Naked Eyes on electric guitar. Now for the guitar solo, I've put together a separate video. You can get to that video by using the link in the description below this video. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.